times like this, you might need to know how to prepare for the worst. So in this video, I will teach you how to stack firewood, how to make a bridge or something for a horse, and how to hang out with your friends in social distancing, in that order. Yeah. So, firewood. Okay, very important for heat in cold times. What you need, somewhere to put it. And if the ground isn't flat, then a good technique is to take a pallet, like this, like you would load hay on, and get on the ground, and then it's flat. And what you're going to do is you're going to stack the body of your wood like this, to where it goes parallel with the boards, so it gets stuck in the crack. At least for small pieces. It doesn't work as well for the big pieces, but it helps it stay in place. Now, very important technique is, if you just stack your wood up like this, then it's just gonna put all the force down, it's gonna slide, and it's gonna like flatten out really easily. So what you need to do is you need to build these Jenga towers. Literally a Jenga tower. 2x2 is usually what I do. 3x3 if you have small pieces. Generally, you want pieces of wood that are twice as long as they are wide, and that are about the same size, at least on each level, if you can't get them the same size between levels. So like here you see, right? These two are the same, and these two are about the same, but they're not the same as each other on the different layers, and that works all right. And so you're going to start out with them going like that, to where it's perpendicular to your normal stack of wood, and then on top of that, you know, flip it sideways, and you just go back and forth, stack all the way up. Now, besides that, other important information is, and if you have like bark or something, I'd recommend just putting an extra pile of that off to the side, if it like comes off the wood. And then also have an area for all the like funky pieces of wood that don't really work as well on one of the edges. And generally try and put those on top. Don't spread them out, because that could do damage to your structural integrity, I believe. Yeah. So that's how you stack firewood. I'm not actually going to show you how to, because I don't have a ton of firewood to stack. Yeah. Thank you. Object for a horse to walk on. Step 1, you're going to have a bridge-like object for a horse to walk on. We just had this piece of wood, I don't know. Then you're going to have to get the logs of wood here, about the same length as the width of that wood. And you're going to move it over with a tractor. That tractor is the one we used. You're going to move it over, and then you're going to set it down, and you're going to use that same tractor to lift up your main wood piece, and then slide the log under there. You're also probably going to want some central support. Here we have a round of firewood on each side for that. And then you're going to go down, and you're going to like screw in the screw gun, or you could nail the pieces of board that were already on there to make sure that's secure. If they aren't, which these ones obviously weren't, so we went through and put the screws in, and this is now perfectly safe to walk on. I have a video on my channel previously uploaded. A horse walking across this. It's very sturdy, very stable, very nice. So yeah, simple process. Get wood, lift up wood, put log under, put support under the middle, and then screw in. It's very simple. Thank you. The most important step in social interaction is gearing up. So everyone knows the essentials, right? Mask, okay, gloves, and for a nice pair like these, okay, fit the hand pretty well. Then step 2, you're going to want to avoid social interaction. So if there's any chance you're going to be encountering people you don't want to talk to at all, that you're not trying to socially interact with, a pair of headphones, preferably broken ones in case you get mugged or something. Okay, very nice. Second of all, you are going to want to bring your wallet in case you get mugged, okay? You know? Because, you know, if they mug you, but you don't have your wallet, then that could go pretty bad, right? Now, next up is you're going to fully camouflage yourself. Okay, I got this jacket at a U.S. surplus store, right? So, you know, you're just going to throw one of these on, just really casual, right? And, you know, if you're camouflaged, then no one's going to spot you and try and socially interact with you. And even if they do spot you, then you're going to have headphones on, and they're not going to try and socially interact with you. Okay? And there's about a hat for that. Okay. Another very important thing to bring is a weapon of some sort. Okay, now this bat is very chrome and shiny, so obviously if I was actually going to go outside, I would never do something that dangerous, but if I was going to go outside, I would paint this some sort of green or some sort of black so that it would blend in. Okay, you're going to want to bring a bat. you know? Okay, it's just the safest way. And whatever you do, make sure your hands are protected. And now, you're properly equipped to go outside. You may also want to bring some trading supplies, just in case. Now, once you're done with all that, okay, it's very important to get down to the actual social interacting. Okay, you can act very natural, very casual, you know. It's very normal. Okay, once you've done that, just make sure you're a safe distance apart. Right, so you know, me and my friend here, hi guys, you know, we're just gonna hang out and do our thing. So yeah. Oh hey man, how's it going? Oh yeah man, how's it going? Yeah. No, sit. Oh yeah. It's going pretty good for me. How's it going for you? Oh, it's going well for me too, you know. Yeah. Wanna just chill? Oh yeah, man, sure, whatever, you know? Yeah. So you said it's been going well? Oh yeah, it's going fine, you know. The usual, right? You know, you can hop on your phone or whatever, it's just normal hanging out. Oh yeah, you can be on your phone or whatever, just chill out, you know, talk. What was that? Oh yeah, I just saw the most funny meme. Oh dude, that's hilarious.